Ladies and gentlemen, in recognizing the exceptional achievement, we at Sailor Today Awards aim to honor individuals who enrich our community and embody the high value we place on multiple pathways of excellence.
16 Sailor Today Awards 2017 felicitates two such powerful personalities with the Exemplary Personal Achievement Award.
While one is a master mariner par excellence, the other is an engineer par excellence. While one is from the prestigious T.S. Rajendra, the other is from the renowned DMET. And both are an embodiment of what a good CEO should be, right?
Ladies and gentlemen, the winners of 16 Sailor Today's Seashore Awards 2017 for exemplary personal achievements are Captain Prashant Rangnekar, CEO of Elegant Marine Services and Chairman of MASA, and Mr. Vishal Khurana, CEO of Chelship, formerly known as Chalaram Shipping.
May we call upon Captain Prashant Rangnekar and Mr. Vishal Khurana to please join us on stage to accept this award. Thank you, sir. Pleasure to have you here.
Congratulations, Captain. We
Yes.
would love to hear a few.
Thank you, sir. Please, may we all come together as we present the award. Please, sir. We also have a few words from you, please.
Thank you, Umesh. Actually, if you allow me, I'll rather like to say more than a few words.
Please, sir.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Firstly, a very grateful thanks to Captain Nagya and his team. Really honored, actually humbled with this award. I thought I'll take you on my journey on where I started. So I joined my present employer, Chelship, or KCMA as it was known, in 1982 as a third engineer. I joined a ship in Montreal and was duly made the shipkeeping engineer for the night. And this was an unmanned ship. I'm talking many years ago, still a brand new ship, unmanned. Middle of the night, there was an alarm. And I ran down to the engine room being the duty engineer for the night. The port generator was on fire with flames about 1 to 2 meters high. And I extinguished that fire that night. And thankfully, no more firefighting thereafter. It's been a steady career moving from sea to shore. And I've always mentioned this to my colleagues at sea, that I can't run ships sitting alone in office. They cannot run ships without the support of office. So why don't we together work for the same company as a good team? And I'm really grateful that I've had wonderful people at sea, many who have grown as from fifth engineers to chief engineers and onwards to general managers in the company. Similarly, people who joined us as cadets and rose to the position of masters and into the office. I have wonderful colleagues in Bombay office looking after our manning. Something I want to take you about the company Chelship. Chelship is from the Chalaram Group, which celebrated 100 years last year. It is also involved not just in business, but also in a lot of philanthropic activities, in healthcare, and also in education. And since this is Bombay, and you're so close to Pune, I must add, with a lot of delight, that the Chalaram Foundation set up the Chalaram Diabetes Institute in Pune with world-class facilities. It's a not-for-profit institute, and it has reached out to thousands of people in villages along Pune district with mobile clinics, and they have located thousands of people with diabetes who are being treated. I invite you, if anybody seeks any assistance in diabetes, I hope none here, but if there is, please do visit CDI. You will never be disappointed. I must take this opportunity to thank our chairman, Mr. Lal Cheraram. We work as a team together. He's very much part of the day-to-day running of the company. And I think I should not miss in telling you what an amazing family support I have. The rock behind that is my wife, Vivian. Actually, I'm in minority at home. I have, besides my wife, two lovely daughters, so it's absolute minority, Vallabhi and Vatsala. But I think they have also taken with Vivian to build where I am, and it would not have been possible without this. So thank you. Thank you, everybody.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you. Thank you, Captain.
Thank
Thank you
you.
so much.